Hey, welcome back to the Aliso Viejo flip that I'm doing. We're about, I would say about halfway through, and we're getting ready for an inspection tomorrow. So I wanted to show you some things that the inspector wants us to do and what he's looking for. So we're in the master bedroom now. I'm gonna take you into the master bathroom area. So come this way. As you can see again, his closet on the left, her closet on the right. You can tell by size. Anyways, we're here in the master bath area. And so what we did down here is called the hot mop process. Literally a hot mop of asphalt, tar, whatever you want to call it. And then the inspector comes over, we fill it up with water and make sure that it's watertight. And then after that, we have to put this black paper behind before we put the tile. And so tomorrow's inspection is going to include him coming out to like visually look at and approve that we put this paper back there, okay? All the rough plumbing was done last time. All the rough electrical was done last time. So there was a couple of corrections that we'll talk about downstairs, and I'll point those out. Okay, so we're in the kitchen, and in the previous inspection, the inspector wanted us to put what's called a GFI switch. And the reason he wanted us to put a GFI switch is because the dishwasher and other items are going to be plugged down there, obviously behind the cabinet. So if there's a surge or something happens with that plug, he wants this to go off so that you can just push this button and reset that. So that's one of the things he wanted us to put. Also, the fire rated drywall. So give it at least about an hour before the fire goes from this unit to the next unit. So there's actually two thick pieces of drywall behind here. And then we just had to finish this bottom portion. And then up here on the wall, there used to be a 240 plug. And we were not going to use it anymore, but we are going to be able to plug a microwave into here. So we had to run a new line from here all the way to the panel, which is in the laundry area, which turns out to be not that difficult because we had all these holes in the ceiling from the repiping. And so literally they ran the line up through here, went straight across and captured the box back there, the electrical box. So we ran a dedicated line here for the microwave. And that's what the inspector is coming out to look at tomorrow. Make sure that was done. Okay, so I just wanted to show you the kind of finished product with the fireplace. So as you can see, they put the drywall back here and made it look decent. This is actually right here from this point on is hardy backer, it's called. And the reason we use hardy backer is because we're going to put stacked stone up here to a certain height and then put the mantle on top here. And the same thing on the other side is what you see is what we did. So again, just putting that extra decorating pieces in here and making this look almost like a focal point. As you walk in the house, this is probably the first thing you're going to end up seeing. Okay, so dealing with an inspector is something that your contractor should be familiar with. And then hopefully if you've done several flips or are being mentored by somebody that's doing several flips, they should be familiar with. So what I like to do is I like, to change all the plugs. Let me move this here. I like to change all the plugs out so that these are all brand new. They're up to code, things like that. The inspector's job is always to come and look for things that he may not be happy with, like the wiring in the kitchen. Those are things that come up on every job. It's not something that you can really prepare for, but it's nothing to be afraid of. Just, take note of what needs to be done, correct it, have him or her come back out and pass that period of the inspection. So nothing to lose sleep over. Okay, hey guys, if you want to see the finished and final product, make sure you subscribe and you hit that like button, okay? So that when it comes out, you're ready to go. Take a look at it. You'll be amazed.